You want to be professional animation editor, right? But you don't know how to download Adobe Animate? No worries! In this video, I'll show you how to download Adobe Animate for free on your PC and laptop. First, go to the link in the description below. It will take you directly to the Adobe page. First, choose your country. Then you'll see an option that says Start Free Trial. Click on that. There are 3 options: individual, business, and students and teachers. If you want to use Animate on a single device, go with the individual plan. For multiple devices, choose the business plan. As an individual user, I'll choose the individual option, which gives you a 14-day free trial. Then click Continue. Enter your email address and click Continue. Fill out the required information, including your card details, but don't worry, Adobe won't charge you until the free trial ends. Once you've completed the form, you'll see this screen. Then create a password, making sure it meets all the requirements. Next, open a new tab in your browser and search for Adobe Creative Cloud Download. Click on the first link and download Creative Cloud. Once the app is downloaded, install it and sign in with the email address you used to create your Adobe Creative Cloud account. After signing into the app, go to the Apps section where you'll see a collection of all Adobe software. Look for Animate, install it, and you're ready to start using it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Please like this video and leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Have a nice day.